What is the name of the ancient city carved into rose-red rock in Jordan?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Petra. Which famous landmark was built as a mausoleum in India?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Taj Mahal. Which US city is home to the Golden Gate Bridge?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
San Francisco. What is the name of the large clock tower in London, England?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big Ben. Which landmark is famously associated with the ancient gladiatorial games in Rome, Italy?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Colosseum. Where can you find the Christ the Redeemer statue?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. What is the name of the prehistoric monument in England made of large standing stones?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stonehenge. Which landmark is famously known as the Lost City of the Incas?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Machu Picchu. What is the name of the iconic iron structure located in Seattle, USA?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Space Needle. Which iconic landmark in Egypt is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great Pyramid of Giza.